Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M self-cleaning brush roll to deliver non-stop hair removal. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-Allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.